Niger's coup leaders say France has dispatched troops and equipment to Senegal, Ivory Coast, and Benin as part of preparations for an aggression against Niger. The military of Niger claims that France has gathered personnel and supplies in a number of West African nations in preparation for a military intervention against Niamey. He said France was continuing to deploy its forces in member countries of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, as part of preparations for an aggression against Niger, which it is planning in collaboration with ECOWAS nations. He claimed that enormous amounts of war supplies and equipment could now be unloaded in Senegal, the Ivory Coast, and Benin, to name just a few places, thanks to French military cargo aircraft. In the wake of a military coup on July 26th, tensions between Niger and France, its former colonial power, have risen. In response to Niger's demands that its troops and envoy leave the Sahel state, Paris has supported ousted President Mohamed Bazoum and refused such requests. Around a military base housing French soldiers, thousands of people have been organizing almost daily protests to call for their removal. Around 1,500 French soldiers are present in the nation as part of a larger campaign against al-Qaeda. The very first thing the new government did was ban the export of their uranium and gold to France, as they believed they are being exploited by France while their people suffer. Almost the whole of France is powered by uranium from Niger, and Niger is the poorest country in the world. France actually warned Niger that it would retaliate if its interest in the region is threatened, especially as protesters threaten to attack the French embassy in Niamey. The U.S. Department of Defense announced this week that the U.S., which has roughly 100 soldiers in Niger, has started to move its troops from Niamey to the country's city of Agadez as a precaution. Do you think it will be right for France to intervene into Niger's internal affairs? Tell us what you think in the comments section. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notification button for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.